Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And what's hot is Elon Musk. The entrepreneur says rockets, investors buy hydrogen, and his car company Tesla buys over £1 billion worth of Bitcoin, and the cryptocurrency hits a new high of almost £35,000. But does Musk have the anti-midas touch, and should investors be aware of certain hypocrisy? A green car investing in Bitcoin, which currently uses more energy than Argentina every year. That's according to analysis from the University of Cambridge. But we're not here to preach, we're here to make money. But I'll caveat that going back to Mr. Musk. In 6 hours of trading, one day last September, Musk lost $16 billion over that 6-hour period, and just 4 months earlier, after tweeting the price of Tesla's shares were too high, traders bailed out and the car maker saw its value drop by £11 billion. But also, check out dog or doggy or dodgy coin, because Elon Musk tipped that and it's seen its value soar. Check out the charts on lse.co.uk. Okay, so Bitcoin, green credentials and shopping habits. Well, apparently they have changed forever. That's according to Ocado. It's got a partnership with not just with Marks and Spencer, but Kroger in the US, Casino in France, and Aeon in Japan. It says shopping has changed for good. Comments were underlined by figures showing a 35% increase in sales over the past year, and how shopping may not return to pre-pandemic habits. Well, Dunelm releases its interims on Wednesday, and it's widely anticipated that its foray into online will mitigate against any losses from lost footfall. So people have been buying sofa throws and comfy furnishings as they redecorate their pandemic-safe places. Now remember, last April Dunelm announced it is using a curtain factory to make medical gowns for NHS workers. And just to avoid any confusion, it said it would not be using any curtain material to make gowns. Also, Sunday Times tipster Saber Meddings told readers to buy shares of Dunelm, predicting it was set to come out of the crisis stronger than before, and analysts are predicting that Dunelm will restart its dividend the same day that it announces its interims. Okay, well, let's stick with home furnishings, because long gone is laminate as more of us go back to carpet. So let's introduce the company called Headlam, because the Financial Mail on Sunday's Midas column tipped stock in Headlam to continue rising. It sells carpets and floor coverings all across Europe, including to big chains such as B&Q and SCS. Worth noting, boss Steve Wilson has been at the company since its start in 1991, and he was given the top job in 2016. So there you go. Bitcoin, carpets, consumer spending habits, dodgy doggy coin, and curtains. But thankfully it's not curtains completely for the former retail empire of Philip Green, but we will await and see what Boohoo and ASOS, the new owners of the big names, are going to do with the likes of Wallace, Burton, Miss Selfridge, Topman, Topshop and Debenhams. Stay warm, stay well, stay safe.